10 reasons coffee might be better for you than you think. Coffee may be doing more for you than just providing an early morning pick-me-up. Coffee's health benefits have long been a source of contention. Its supporters tout its antioxidant activity and brain-boosting potential, while its detractors list drawbacks such as indigestion, sleeplessness, elevated blood pressure, and heart rate. However, the most recent wave of scientific evidence delivers a slew of exciting news for coffee enthusiasts. In today's video, we will share with you 10 reasons why drinking coffee may be healthier for you than you thought. Number 1. Assist you in burning more calories. Coffee has been proven to improve metabolism by 11 to 20% for those who drink close to 2 cups daily. As a result, you can burn more calories and even help you lose weight if you're on a diet and exercising. The equivalent of 12 ounces burns 15% more calories for 3 hours after exercise. Number 2. Lowers the risk of heart disease. Drinking about 2 cups of coffee daily can help inhibit certain cardiovascular problems, such as heart failure. Caffeine may also help prohibit irregularities or disturbances in one's heart rhythm. Enjoying the video so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Coffee can be used to relieve pain. Have you noticed that caffeine is a common element in pain relievers? This is due to the fact that caffeine has a health advantage in that it decreases inflammation in the body, including pain. It reduces discomfort by blocking pain signals in the brain and increasing the efficacy of pain medications such as aspirin and ibuprofen. When they stated a cup of coffee may be therapeutic, they weren't incorrect. Number 4. Increase your stamina. Coffee not only reduces your reported amount of discomfort during physical exercise, but it can also reduce your perceived level of exertion. You're expanding by more than 5%, and your activity seems easier because you're using less energy. As a consequence, drinking coffee before exercising can boost exercise performance by more than 12% since you feel like you're burning less energy. Number 5. Reduce your chances of depression. Coffee has also been linked to a decreased prevalence of depression, particularly among women. Those who consume 4 to 8 ounce cups of coffee per day have been shown to reduce their risk of depression by up to 22%. This reduced risk is due to the fact that coffee affects the synthesis of brain neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Number 6. Lower your risk of certain cancers. So far, coffee has been linked to a decreased risk of liver and colon cancer, the 3rd and 4th most frequent malignancies in the world, respectively. Coffee users have a 40% reduced risk of liver cancer and a close to 17% lower risk of colon cancer if they consume 4 to 5 cups per day. Coffee consumers have also been linked to a decreased incidence of basal cell carcinoma, a kind of skin cancer. Number 7. Make you feel more energized. This advantage appears to be self-evident. It's the reason why many individuals have switched to a cup of coffee in the morning. There's no denying that coffee may give you that additional push you need, especially if you've had a bad night's sleep. This is because caffeine acts as a stimulant, making you feel more concentrated and alert. It also provides you more strength and helps you keep going when you're running short on stamina. Number 8. Coffee lowers your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. Another great reason to drink coffee. It reduces your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A study of over 450,000 individuals found that drinking 1 cup of coffee each day lowered the incidence of type 2 diabetes by 8%. Researchers attribute the advantage to Gallstone, a bioactive molecule found in coffee that has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, boost insulin production, and lower fasting glucose levels. Number 9. Gallstone formation. Coffee has been shown to greatly reduce the production of gallstones in the gallbladder. This pear-shaped organ promotes digestion, and coffee is thought to help the liquids pass through the bladder gradually. Gallstones are microscopic bits of cholesterol that crystallize, and coffee prevents cholesterol from crystallizing into such gallstones. Number 10. It aids concentration. When coffee enters the brain, it affects a wide range of brain cells, from those that make you feel sleepy and drained to those that help you stay focused and alert. Caffeine in coffee, as a natural stimulant, can boost your ability to focus and mental alertness. However, in order for it to have this effect on you, your coffee needs contain at least 7 to 5 mg of caffeine. Do you know any other coffee-related facts we may have missed or glossed over? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to Healthdome for more videos like this. I can't grow this channel without your support. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Bye for now.